Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. I am very happy to have you, and today I will be using the e.l.f. mini eyeshadow palette. It is called the Bite Size eyeshadow palette. Rose Water is the name of this one. Please stay tuned. If you're visiting, thank you. If you're here for the first time, I want to thank you. If you're coming back, I want to thank you. Thank you for visiting my channel. I appreciate you. And now the tutorial begins. This mini eyeshadow palette, see, I have lots of fallout. Take a look. It's everywhere. Lots. It's fun. I love doing this. This is what the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette looks like. 4 colors in the Bite Size. These 4 colors are pretty, but lots of fallout. Lots. If anybody has this palette and have tried it, let me know in the comments, please, because there's lots of fallout. e.l.f., if you perfect this little Bite Size, it will be gorgeous. The colors are nice, but it's just way too much fallout. I'll use it again. I like the colors. And that is my first time e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow tutorial and review. Nice colors. Too much fallout. It's a mess. I have a mess everywhere. But this is it. My foundation is by Wet n Wild Autofocus, the Espresso. My blush is by Mented. It's called Buried Away. My lipstick is by Black Radiance. My lipstick is by Black Radiance, and the number is 5073. 5073 Black Radiance. That's the number. And this is the complete look. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate you watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, take care of self. Self is first. Self is important. Love self plenty. And I will see you in another sexy eye video. Peace. Bye, 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 bye. Gorgeous. beautiful. It's nice, elf. Work on it. Too much fallout. It's beautiful. Thank you all again. See you all later.